we're ready to do our ironing. And so you can, on the pockets, go ahead and maybe use your fingernail to press them open to get them to cooperate with you. But then I really do think it's important to go ahead and take an iron, and a little steam in there is great if you've got that capability. Now, you can see from our fabric choices, you can do anything you want to with your, the outer pocket, the inner pocket, make it interesting and fun. I kept them strung together because then, here at the ironing station, it's easier to manage them all. So once we've got them ironed nice and flat when they're open, we're going to come back. And you can see, because I've got them connected, I can handle this one with just one hand. I'll go like this. And my cord's in the way, I apologize. All right, so you can kind of see, and then I'll just move these out of the way. And they're going to help me hold this one. So we're just getting a nice clean edge up there at the top. Now that we have those ironed, I'm just going to show you, I did the same thing for the pocket flap. This is going to go up here and open. Well, I'm actually going to attach them this way. But the opening is here, but because we've pressed it, it's going to lay really great. We're just going to put it on the bag and top stitch along there. We don't have to do any hand sewing, which is great, always a winner. And then when you're at your ironing station, go ahead and, press any of your other little pieces that need pressing. Your long, it's called the loop. Remember there's I think, 15-inch long, 16-inch, 17. You're going to go ahead and you're going to get that all folded into quarters, fourths, and pressed so that we can top stitch right down the side there. And then we'll be cutting it into the lengths we need as we go. But it's good to get all this prep work done so that when you sit down at the sewing machine, things are organized.